that is actually a mistake. But yes, the main point, I mean, we always say your greatest driver of returns over the long term is not how tax efficient your investment portfolio is or how little fees you pay, is your asset allocation. That's always the most important thing. It doesn't change if you are 20 or 50 or 80 years old. And I think we need to be careful of rules of thumbs here, because a lot of times when we read books and we watch videos, and there's generally like follow this framework, and then one of the things that I see is often mentioned is the balance between like equities and bonds. And they say, like, take your age, minus it from 100, and that's your allocation to equities. Now, if you are 50 and we apply that principle, it means you're only 50% in equities. That is actually a mistake, because you want to be closer to that 70-75% still, because like Warren said, you might be 10-15 years away from the age of retirement, but you still have 30 years maybe plus left. That is 40-50 years almost still investment term. That's long term. That's long term capital that needs to be invested appropriately.